I don't know about you, but I really need to go on a vacation. To get me excited, I made a personalized luggage tag with my Cricut. I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Jo with Cricut, and I work on the international product team. I'm gearing up to hopefully go visit my friends in Singapore and South Africa, so I want to make sure that I don't lose any of my luggage. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a personalized luggage tag. For that, what you'll need is an internet-connected device. I have my laptop, an Easy Press Mini, a cutting machine. I'm using the Explorer 3, a trimmer, a weeding tool, scissors, a luggage tag. I'm using this faux leather one with the red tag. It's super cute. An Easy Press mat, and then whatever iron-on you like. I love to add a little bit of sparkle, especially when you're stressed about traveling internationally. So I'm going to use some gold glitter iron-on. I'm going to start in Design Space by designing the image that I want to cut out and put onto the luggage tag. If you come over to Design Space, I have this super cute compass rose, and I'm going to add my name. Don't want anyone stealing my stuff. Now that I have my font there, I'm going to size it down a bit. And then I also want to align my images so that they're nice and centered. Slide that over just a little bit, get it exactly how I want. And then to ensure that they cut on the same piece of iron-on, I'm going to hit the attach button here. All right, now that that looks good and ready to cut, I'm going to hit make it. And then this is my favorite part. I'm using smart iron-on, and so I'm going to cut it without a mat. This takes out a lot of steps, which makes it super easy. Since this is iron-on, I want to make sure that I hit mirror. It'll flip it for me, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna select my base material. We're using Glitter Smart Iron-On, and I'm going to load my iron-on into the machine. Super nice, it tells me exactly how much I need. I need 6 inches of material, so I can pre-cut that out and we're ready to go. All right, we're gonna hit go. Awesome, now that that's done cutting, I'm gonna unload it from the machine, and then I'm going to cut the iron-on using the trimmer. Wanna make sure that I'm not cutting out any of my design. We'll just trim this down a bit so it's easier to work with. Perfect, and then I have some iron-on I can use for a project later. All right, now here's the fun part. I'm gonna weed. With glitter iron-on, it's a little bit challenging, but if you just start at the top corner and just pull away from the sticky liner, and it'll leave your design there. Awesome, so I'll discard the extra and then pull out the little pieces that are in here. So what we do when we weed is we're removing the excess material from our design that we don't want to show up in the end product. So what I love about weeding is it's super therapeutic. It kind of helps just like release any stress that you might have. But also with the cutting machine, it gets everything super precise, so you don't have to deal with cutting anything out manually. Okay, now that I've weeded my design away and I have just what I want to press, I'm going to get my leather tag. This is a faux leather tag that I loved the color on. I think it'll make it super easy to find my luggage anywhere. And I've already used the Cricut heat guide to preset my Easy Press Mini on the lowest setting. And then for glitter iron-on, I'll preheat it for 5 seconds and then press with light pressure for 30 seconds. Now that I've preheated it, I'm gonna align my design so that it's nice and straight. So this is where you see the benefit of mirroring it. You're not gonna have that Karen Smith moment where she puts the K on her chest and it's backwards. It's perfectly aligned and easy peasy. All right, now I'm going to press it. The heat guide told me light pressure with constant movement for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna set a timer and count to 30. I think it's good. All right, I think that should be good. We're gonna allow it to cool completely before we remove the backing. Awesome, once that's cooled, I'm gonna remove the backing to reveal my beautiful design. Simple, but also adds my own personal style. I love glitter, I love some fun, and that'll make me super happy during a long day of traveling. Thanks for coming along with me to learn how to make this luggage tag. I hope you learned something new.